In a magical place called Cloudberry Meadows lived a tiny bunny named Nimbi. They said he was too small.
Hey, I'm not that small, but you're so tiny.
Yeah, little guy. But one day, everything changed. The meadow flooded. Everyone was trapped. Even the strongest failed. But Nimbi had an idea. He may be small, but his legs outrun danger, his ears hear the unseen, and his eyes see everything. With speed, balance, and fearless jumps, Nimbi built a bridge where no one else could.
He built a bridge.
Everyone was amazed. One by one, they crossed to safety. And peace returned to Cloudberry Meadows. They finally understood and thanked Nimbi for his courage. The smallest became the biggest hero. Even the smallest can do the biggest things.
Never underestimate the small. Before you go, hit like and subscribe so you never miss our stories.